Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, excuse my language, but I'm getting my shit together. I need to organise, I need to clean, and I need to tidy. So I thought I could motivate you and you could motivate me and we could get organised, clean, tidy, all that jazz together. If you are not new to my channel, you will know I absolutely love my room. It's my happy place, it's my pride and joy, and I would consider myself quite a clean, organised and tidy person. Well, that skill has just been thrown out the window because I have just been disregarding my room. To the eye, it looks kind of neat, kind of tidy, but I know personally everything's just stuffed in every drawer. So I am literally going to be doing a big wipe out, getting rid of some stuff, you know, organising, cleaning, all that good stuff. So let's just get into it. I can't wait. I need to get this done. This is the last thing I want to do right now, but we're going to do this together. And I'm going to start off by organising drawers, and then once I've done all that, I'm going to organise my wardrobe, and once I've done that, I am then going to like clean the surface, get all them cleaning products out, get the hoover out, and just make this room my home again. So let's clean together. To start off, I'm going to do this drawer. It won't even open proper because the amount of stuff that is just wellied in there, but there's no way I can do this in silence, so I am going to listen to multiple podcasts, and I'm going to start off with Olivia O'Neill's podcast. So, and it's only 30 minutes, so if I get this drawer done in 30 minutes, I will be very impressed with myself, but let's just make a start. Okay. One drawer down.
Okay. Someone said bungee jump.
Many more to go. Olivia girl,
disagree with you.
calm down. Look at that. Ah, that is my heaven. We have like, let me just give you a little tour. We have the like mask, eye mask, lip mask, face mask, other face mask, nose peels, and then we have like my stuff, my go-to stuff here. Then we have my top-ups of my shampoo and conditioner. Then I just have other stuff that, this is like, I don't use this, but I thought I'd keep it just in case. And then I just have little bits and bobs, and then I have a bunch more masks and stuff down there. But I have literally all this stuff that I don't want. Like, look at all these that have been sent. Like, it's not being ungrateful. I want to give it to someone who's actually going to use it, because this is way too much for me. Like, it's literally, if I don't give it to someone who's going to use it, this is literally just going to stay in my cupboard and not get used. So I'd rather give it to someone who's actually going to use it. Now I'm going to sort out this drawer. I have finished both of them drawers now, which I'm very happy about. I do want to give them a wipe down, but I'm just gonna, well, look at my bed. I need to sort this out. I'm gonna go get like a bin bag from downstairs, a bag with stuff that I want to sell, because like stuff like this, so I have like a Pandora charm that I've not used before, it's never been out the box, and then I have these which I've literally I've used them once. So I'm going to sell them, and then bits that I just want to give away and stuff, I'm going to put them in a separate bag, and all the rubbish I'm going to put in a separate bag. So that's what I'm going to do now, and I need to find another podcast real quick to listen to. I'm going to listen to the Life's Your Bitch one, by Megan. Honestly, it motivates me so much. What I'm doing now, I am sorting out my wardrobe because it's just shocking. Like, this bit is fine, it's here that is absolutely shocking, mostly here. That is where my snack drawer goes, and it just needs sorting out. Like, when people come over, they can go in it and stuff, and I like snacking on it at night and stuff. It really needs sorting out, so that's what I'm gonna do now. And then after I've done my wardrobe, I'm gonna like clean the surfaces, move everything, dust, clean, polish, all that jazz. But I feel just so much better about that area over there already. Okay, so I'm not sure if you're seeing this, but look how beautiful this looks. I'm very proud. If you're not new to my channel, you'll know this is my uni wardrobe. I cannot wait to get rid of all these clothes. Not the stress, but literally I hate having to wear black every uni day. Obviously I'm off for the holidays now, so I don't have to, but this pile is embarrassing. Oh, I'm gonna go through it all now and organise my wardrobe. Guys, my battery is flashing red. That's how long this has taken, but I'm officially done, all organised, all nice and neat. There for the bin, there to sell on Depop, and there for charity. So I'm gonna pop this on charge and sort out the piles. I am back. I've literally been so dedicated to this whole process. I've missed out on a Jubilee celebration party for this process. So I've had a bacon butty, let my camera charge for a little bit, and I just want to get this process over and done with so I can chill and just breathe in all the fresh room scents. You know what I mean, when you get your room nice and fresh and you just feel so comfortable. That's where I want to be at in about an hour. So I'm gonna literally wipe everything down. Our duster, the dog has chewed it, so it's gone in the bin, so don't know what I'm gonna dust with. I might just have to wipe everything down. I've got these wipes that I'm going to use, and I'm going to get cracking with this. I am officially done. I thought I'd show you the end product with the bedding on, even though once I finish the video I'm going to strip it because it needs washing. I don't have any like spare bedding and stuff like that, so I thought I'd show you it with it. But it's literally took me hours, guys. Like, it looks clean, but like these drawers still need sorting. But it's literally so late now, even though it's still light outside. It's literally nearly 8 o'clock. But I could have organised these as well and in here, but I literally have had enough. Like, I just want a little break. But I'm really proud of what I've done, so I thought I'd just show you. Here we have this bit. This is my favourite bit of my room. I'm kind of don't want this print anymore. I think I'm going to swap it and get some ones you'll see in my room transformation part 2. But oh my god, this cherry wax melt smells divine. Then we have my wardrobe that I've sorted, and this is what I'm most happy about that I've sorted, because it was just piled, like you guys seen it when I literally showed it you. It was so bad. Like, even my snack part was bad. Like, I didn't even know I had half of these snacks in there because it was all just shoved in there and was a mess. But now it's nice and clean, so I'm really happy about that. Oh my god, why have I never used these wax melts before? They're so good. Then we have my little window space. I've had the windows open all day so I can get all the dust out and fresh air in. Then we have this little bit, as always, my bag wall. Comment down below if you think I should get some more bags and do it more here as well, like put 3 more bags there, or you think I should just keep it like this. And then we have this bit. I also love this part of my room. I'm gonna sort this out. Like, if you can see, the photos peel off and I have to constantly like stick them back on with my hands like this. So in my room transformation, I'm not getting rid of it because I absolutely love it, but I will be fully sticking it down. I'll show you how to do that if you want some inspiration. Then we have this that I polished and cleaned and tidied, my lovely mirror. Then we have this. Oh, how satisfying is that to look at? Oh my goodness me. I really want to keep this looking this way. Then we have this part. So this is like a jewellery slash hair bit. This does not look as neat and tidy, but it's because I've had to fit so much in here. So I have all my hair bits, like I've got my curlers, my brushes, and then I've got my not my crimpers, my wavers and my hair straighteners in there. And then I've got a makeup palette, and then I've got like hair accessories here, and then I've got all my jewellery. Here are my earrings, necklaces, and then this is my Pandora jewellery box that I've got in there, just baubles and clips and stuff over there. And then that's basically it in here, and that's kind of all I've done, guys. Like, it literally looks like I've done nothing, but it's took me hours. And then we have this top bit here. I absolutely love this top bit. It's literally why I got this bed, so I could do this. Like, I literally visioned this and made it come true. I just wanted to say a big thank you for watching this video. This video wasn't really for entertaining purposes. It was more motivation and stuff. So if you stuck around this long, I really appreciate it, because clean and tidy and organised videos don't really seem to do that well on YouTube. It's not necessarily what everyone chooses to watch. So if you stuck around and watched this, I appreciate you so much. You don't even know. But thank you so much for watching this video. It means the absolute world to me. I am making a pledge to myself that I'm gonna look after this room more. I don't know what's been going on at the minute, but that has changed now. I'm a new girl. I'm a new girl, and you need to make that pledge as well. If you have a messy room, get it done, get it sorted. But thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you next Wednesday for another video. I'll see you guys later.